Hello foreign friends, hi, how are you? This is JR from JRC Visa Consultancy and Immigration Services, and we're gonna talk about Philippine visa and immigration facts. Now lately we have talked a lot of things about the visa and immigration matters in the Philippines, and this is not that new in terms of the news, but it will be a good update to our foreign friends who are actually the holder of the SRRV under the Philippine Retirement Authority, because effective June 1st, 2023, they are now allowing for you to renew your ID card for the maximum of 2 years. Prior to that date, it was only allowed for 1 year. We don't know the reason, but probably they're checking some things within their organization. But this is a good news for those SRRV holders that they have actually allowed already from 1 year to 2 years. Now, it might not be the usual thing that you can actually do, which is actually up until 3 years of the renewal of the ID, but this is still a good news. 2 years is better than 1 year, so that would be a good preposition for you to renew your SRRV card so that you'll have ample of time and you'll have the convenience of time to actually use and maximize that visa, because that particular ID should come with your visa that is stamped on your passport every time you go in and out of the country. I hope that that information is useful for you in your future plans, especially on your travel. So with that being said, thank you foreign friends, and we'll be looking forward on our next video. But before that, please do like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be prompted with our latest video. That would be it for now. See you soon. Bye-bye. Take care.